everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alex here. If you've never seen these chubby cheeks before, then do consider subscribing to my channel before you leave. So for today's video, I have an unboxing for Boxycharm for the month of September. You guys, if you've never heard of Boxycharm, I don't know where you've been, but you need to get on it. I'll have a link in the description box so you guys can go ahead and sign up for it. Now, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service for $21 a month, and you get over $100 worth of products. You get 4 to 5 full-size items, you guys. Not no teeny weeny samples. I tell you this all the time, and I'm excited for September's box because we are on the brink of fall, so I'm really excited to see what theme they went with and what items they went and packed into this box. So Boxycharm sent me on over their September box, so let's get into it and see what is inside. If you've been rocking with me for a long time, then you already know I do not look in these boxes before you guys do, so I have no spoilers. I want to be just as surprised as you guys are, okay? So let's jump into it. So this month's theme is, ooh, wildflower. Now I'm interested and I'm intrigued because I'm like, we're on the brink of fall. I need to start seeing some fall stuff, but wildflower is okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size items, and I'm seeing some brands in here that I have seen before in the box and some that I have not. So let's see what we got this month. So the first thing I'm noticing is these brushes. Boxycharm has been really good lately with putting in brushes in our boxes. So these are from the brand Alamar Cosmetics. Now we do get some well-known brands and some brands that we've never heard of before. So if you've never heard of them, here they are. These are it's an Ojitos brush set. It's made from 100% synthetic fibers, and the cost on these is $18. So we have a, what is this? This is probably a crease brush. That's nice. We always need a fluffy crease brush. We've got this flat top brush that's definitely great for detail work. And then we have this domed brush. It's kind of stiff. It's definitely good for probably getting up underneath your brow and handling your concealer. The next thing out of our box, we have a blush from LORAC. Now, LORAC was uber popular when she came out with those highlighters, but we've got a blush from her. I'm excited about this one. This blush is, this retails for $28 already, over the price of the box, y'all. And this is a baked Blush-n-Brighten, and it's called Tropic Hues. That's the color there, if you can see it. It's fairly nice. It looks like it's marbleized. I'm gonna swatch it. It might work for me as probably like a cheek topper. As you can see there, it's kind of light. It's not ashy, but because it has these golden undertones to it, it's definitely going to be a blush topper on me. Definitely not going to be a blush because of those gold undertones, but it's nice and shimmery. It looks really nice, and I think I like it. I'm going to try it as a blush topper, but probably can't work for me as a blush because of my skin color. Next, we have something from LORAC. Oh my gosh, LORAC is a really good brand. This retails for $19, and this is their Pro Matte Lip Color, and oh my gosh, they got this right for me. This is in the color Lilac. You guys know I love a purple, anything purple. Oh, I have to swatch this. I can't wait. Okay, I hope y'all can see this. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Ooh, it's so bright. Oh my gosh, if I didn't have this lip color on, I would definitely like try this on. But if you can see that, it's a beautiful purple shade. That's really nice, and it's really buttery and creamy. So I can't wait to try this. Again, this is the LORAC Pro Matte Lip Color. It doesn't feel matte, but I'm sure it's going to dry down matte. It's going to be awesome. So next up, we have a eyeshadow palette, and this is from the brand Pretty Vulgar. Now, we did get a couple of things from Pretty Vulgar before in Boxycharm, so I'm excited to see what this eyeshadow palette looks like. Let's look at it together. Okay. All right. Let's be positive. Stay positive. Stay positive. Remember that little unicorn from Lego Movie? Stay positive. That's how I feel right now. Okay. So this palette, this retails for $35, and it's called the Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. It's got your blacks, your silvers, your browns. It's basically a nudie palette in here. It's got a huge mirror. That's always cool, but I wanted to be excited about this, and I'm not, but let's swatch it. Let's see. Okay, pigment's there. The pigment is there, darling. Like, so that's a good thing, but I wanted it to be I wanted this palette to be a little bit more, but I guess it's perfect for the fall season because it's giving you this smoky vibe. So I'll definitely be using it and trying it out, but I wanted a little bit more, y'all. I'm gonna put those right there. So pigment is good on it, so we've got that to think about. So I'm excited about it now. I think that's cool. So the last and final thing out of this month's box, we have the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. And this retails for $19. It's this right here. Okay, it's a liquid liner, and we're gonna open this because I'm excited. Okay, it's one of those roly ball ones. The first time I saw one of these was with MAC Cosmetics, and I didn't go into the hype. Did not give into the hype when it was with MAC, so I'm gonna roll it on me and see how I feel about it. It's super black, I can tell you that. The roller isn't ridiculously hard, but that's black. Wow, that's really black. Do you see that? Wow. So it's probably going to be a learning curve in terms of, you know, trying to put it on and trying to wear it, but I'm excited about it. So yeah, you guys, that's it for the Boxycharm for the month of September. I'm not wowed about it. It's a very neutral, very mellow kind of box. I've been way more excited about Boxycharm boxes in the past. So September's box, I'm not too sure if it goes with the theme Wildflower. I'm not feeling very wild and flowery. I'm not, like, I need to get into the fall spirit, y'all. Like, I'm hoping October box is bomb, but yeah, I'm conflicted about this month's box. What do you think? Did you get your September box yet? What did you get inside? What are you loving? How do you feel about it? But yeah, I'm not super duper pumped about it. Like, the only things I'm here for on this box right now in order are the LORAC Pro, this matte lip we got, these brushes. I always love brushes, you guys know that. Then we go into the Laura Geller. Then we go into that liner that we got from Butter London, and then the palette. Like, I don't know, I'm conflicted, but yeah, you guys, that's it for the Boxycharm for the month of September. As always, let me know down in the comment section what you thought about today's video. What do you think about this month's box? And as always, thank you so much for watching and subscribing if you have, and I'll see you in my next video really, really soon. Bye, love.